Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
What up, what up, what up, what up?
Today we're going to Target and to Ulta. And we might go to a food truck festival. I saw a sign the other day.
And I'm really looking forward to getting some food that is not like the normal shit that we're getting.
What do you mean? Chicken?
Cheesecake, chicken.
Oh, like Cheesecake Factory?
Yeah, need something like a switch up.
Yeah, the sign's right there. Perfect. I forgot because that sign. Food Truck Festival, February 15th, Coral Center Adventure Park. You know where that jungle gym is? On the side, it's like a where you go ziplining and jump from the.
I've never seen that before.
Really?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, since we're there, let's just go ziplining. Boy, if you don't.
We can't go ziplining.
What are you talking about? Why not?
We have the baby.
No, she can go on my like. we brought the harness, right?
No.
We could just put her on the harness.
No.
What?
No.
I'm so serious.
No, we're not taking her ziplining.
Dude, Rosie would have the time of her life. I still can't spell or pronounce our address.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Puamaole Street. Puamaole Street. Puamaole Street. You try to pronounce that instead of judging me, thinking that I'm stupid.
They didn't call you stupid.
Puamaole.
When people ask you for your
Puamaole.
When people ask you
Puamaole.
Oh my god. People see us recording and they think we're like important people.
To be like, oh, I have a vlog. Put me on the vlog.
Yeah.
Like, okay. and then we tell them who they are. And then we tell them who we are. They look us up like, dude, they have like 100-something followers.
Who cares? I mean, we just do this for fun. If you guys want to follow along, then subscribe.
I don't care.
So we just left Ulta and Target. I could do a little haul for you guys if you want to see. All I got at Ulta was some eyelash glue. Am I a makeup guru? Some Makeup Revolution translucent powder. Hey, focus on here. There we go. Translucent powder.
Were you talking to me or the camera?
The camera. And then at Target we just got some random stuff. Formula water, formula. Oh my y'all. I'm thirsty a little bit.
Me too.
You hear that?
Can you not do that?
Can we go to Dunkin' to get water?
Sounded so dramatic. Can we go to Dunkin' and get water?
I'm so thirsty. On a scale of 1 to 10, how beautiful was that?
So that's a solid 10.
Yes.
Point 10.
Yes.
Point 10.
Am I going to Hollywood?
Point 10. Point 1. 10.
You said 10.10.
I said.
You said 10.
And then I corrected it and said point 10.
Well, to me, I took it as 10.10. I'm a superstar. Did you guys know that when you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated?
It's the last sign of dehydration.
Yep. What are these girls doing? They should walk on the freaking sidewalk with two babies walking in the middle of the street. I want a large iced water.
Okay.
What are you getting?
Might get a pink velvet macchiato. Can I get a wake up wrap and hash browns? Can I get a pink velvet macchiato iced? Can I get a bagel with cream cheese and a large iced water?
Can I try your drink?
Sure. Alright, I'm gonna just stop. I'm gonna take the L now. There's no way in it.
That's disgusting. I just got some iced water to stay hydrated. He's so
bad.
I'll eat your food. Two for flinching. I'm about to cut him out of this channel.
Oh, I forgot about your stuff.
What stuff?
Nothing.
What stuff? Babe, what stuff? I hate when he tries to be secretive. What stuff? We need some more video ideas, guys, so make sure to comment on our videos and tell us what you want us to do. Okay, do you remember the first time you ever saw me?
I remember the first time I seen you outside of school.
When?
It was at the pool at what is that neighborhood?
Syntax?
I don't know.
By my house? By our old house?
It was closer to my house.
Oh, Trace Ridge.
Trace Ridge, yep. That's it.
Yeah, my friend lived over there. So I would always go to that pool. You saw me there when? In middle school?
Yeah. I was with Tyler.
Tyler who?
Hardesty.
Oh.
And you were with all your little friends or whatever. You were still at Parkwood Hill. I was at Hillwood.
We were that young?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What did you think when you first saw me outside of school? That's the girl I have a crush on.
I was like, that's Frank's sister.
That's annoying. That's like how everyone in school would always know me as. Frank Prado's little sister? I have a name too. Well, we just got home, so we're gonna eat our Dunkin' Donuts. Dude, we're fat. We're eating before going to a food truck festival.
There we go.
Oh well.
In here, it's getting started. Yeah.
We're about to go to the food truck festival. Yeah! Oh, here come some people, and I'm over here screaming like a lunatic. Are you ready to get fatter than what we already are? Ooh, I see the food trucks. Do you guys see all those tents and the smoke and the barbecue? Are you ready to eat, babish? It looks like I just rolled out of bed. Mind your business.
Mind your business.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so you can get a regular plate, half chicken, 2 scoops rice, corn, and a dessert. Just get a regular and we can share, because like I'm not gonna eat all that by myself. Baby, is it too bright out here for you? That chicken smells good. Look at the chickens over there. Go to my YouTube channel, guys. So we got half a chicken, corn, 2 scoops rice, and a brownie. But that seems flawless. Damn, I think I killed that chicken. And not so hot.
Oh, over there, the chicken, chicken, right? You got chicken, right?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right in the corner, right here. What do you rate this chicken?
5 or 6.
Oh yeah? So not that great? Well, we'll catch you guys later. We're gonna enjoy our food, maybe wait for the music to start playing. But it might be too loud. What if we forget to record later on today? Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Oh wait, that's not what we say. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, and we'll see you in our next
Video.